setting up the ratio. Okay? So may makikita kayo dyan guys na 4:7 is equals to 28:x. Okay, ang tanong ilan yung x. Okay? So sabi ko nga kanina, pag may isto or colon, ang isa dyan, denominator. So in this case, 4/7 is equals to 28, ang denominator, x. Pag naging fraction na siya, ang gitna mo is equals na. Okay? So, paano mo na siya ma-reduce into lowest term? Okay? Cross-multiply. Ma-reduce to lowest term. Pag ganito 4/7 is equals to 28/x. Paano nga ang computation natin yan? Okay? Magiging cross-multiply lang yan. Okay? So, ito papunta doon, 4x. Yun yung shortcut is equals, yung gitna equals 28 times 7. 28 times 7. Let's say, alam niyo po kung ilan. 28 times 7, 196. Wala pala itong 4x, sorry, 4x. Is equals to 196. Okay? Divide both sides by 4 is equals to x is equals to 49. Nakuha mo na yung value ng line ng x. Ito nga, 49 siya. Okay? So, gets po siya pagka ganun. Okay? May equals na. Ito po, 4:7 is to 28 is to x, parehas lang po yan. Okay? Pag may walang equals parehas lang yan. Ito, parehas lang po yan. Parehas lang yan. Okay? Baka may makita yung C. How to solve that? Okay? Paano nyo i-solve yan? The product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. Means sa gitna, extreme sa dulo. So, product of the means, 4x, is equals to the product of the means, 7 times 8. 28, sorry. 7 times 28. Balik kayo sa dati. Ito na 1.6. Ito na po. Okay? So, kung may makita kayong ganyan, same lang po yan. Okay? It's 4/7 is equals to 28/x. Okay? So, explain ko kung bakit cross-multiply. Okay? Ito, 4x is equals to 7 times. Bakit cross-multiply? 4/7 is equals to 28/x. Okay? Multiply both sides by x. Okay? So, ang magiging result niyan, 4x dito sa kaliwa over 7 is equals to, makakancel itong dalawa. Makakancel ito kasi may x dyan. 28. Okay? Alisin ko uli yung 7. Multiply natin yung 7. Cancel. Naging 4x is equals to 28 times 7. Parehas na yun. Okay? So, shortcut, cross multiply. Para mabilis. Pagano'n. Okay?